Hello friends and guests of the Camembert channel. Welcome to the ancient beautiful city of Rome. Let's get out on the streets of Rome. Let's see if something will impress us. Grab a coffee, get a pizza somewhere and enjoy the beautiful sunny weather. Scooters everywhere and I'm in the wrong direction again. Something very typical Italian. A lot of traffic, people screaming, dirty air, pollution as much as you want. And you have the Roman buildings all around. Isn't it amazing? Look at these trees, guys. I'm very happy with where I'm staying. I'm basically having a room on my own with own bathroom, very well equipped. It's not particularly clean though. I've seen cleaner cities, but southern nations and transport and cleanliness doesn't go well together. Benvenuto a Roma. I'm very happy that I'm here. I'm really lost in this airport. I see only gates and gates. Düsseldorf. No, I still want to stay in Rome and I'm trying to get out of this airport. Where's the train? So badly marked. There's only one exit. If you miss the exit, goodbye. It's kind of new one, renovated. I was expecting worse, to be honest. Two machines selling tickets, what the hell? Honestly, really. Just fucked up these machines. Just useless. I decided to take this one for €8 and by the time she was issuing my ticket, that train was gone. I wanted to upgrade for the Express, but it wasn't possible. So if you come to Italy, you have to be very patient, especially with this stuff. The train looks good at least. Ooh, look at this one. Give them cars, give them Ferraris, Lamborghini. Just don't give them trains and public transportation, buses and stuff like that. Alitalia went bankrupt. Italian and bankrupt.
Oh, perché questo è essere presi per il culo da Ludo Gorez, ma voi dovete tornare a piedi da lì che non so manco.
You're Roma Merda.
Roma shit. Yeah.
Nice. Yeah. Yes. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Bye.
Yeah. We beat them.
Yes.
Ah, yeah. You see? Swedish people are so funny. They're making me laugh all the time. And why I'm talking about Swedish people, because this is Rome. But you know, we meet each other here and there. And I'm drinking my latte and these two women, like 40, 50 plus something, come by me at the bar. They order 2 espressos and they're discussing something, and at the same time I'm eating something sweet I ordered from the deli, and I'm suddenly talking to them, why not trying this also, it's very tasty, and they're like shocked, looking at me. First of all, they don't know what's happening. Somebody's talking to them in Swedish in Rome, and that's somebody who was right behind them, and their look was so funny. I was like laughing in my mind, you know. But at least they ordered espresso, which is not at all Swedish thing. They just drink that filter liter of water poured into some coffee and they enjoy that. I was surprised to see them drinking espresso, and they even talked Italian with the bartender. Maybe that was the main purpose of their visit there. And because I was there next to them, they were just drinking the espresso instantly and getting out of there. And the thing is that in Italy, from all the times I've been here, you can get the best coffee in the world from a street machine just hit whatever machine and it gives you the best coffee, espresso, latte, doesn't matter what. I've noticed that the first time when I was here on a business trip to Milan, there wasn't a machine that I couldn't praise, honestly. Just the ugliest, dumbest machine on the street was making a good coffee. This was the only person who stopped and I gave away. It's kind of funny. And the hotels here, especially this one, looks like a church. Look at this. Grand Hotel Palace. Looks like a bloody cathedral. But this is Rome. We'll see if this beer is a good one. Cheers, guys. I'm not going to be exaggerating it, but it's a really good one. It's smoky, a bit hot and a bit peppery, and it has the aftertaste of seafood. An interesting detail I come upon is the fact that they actually have branded their own plates. Look. Attention to detail. And I like that. Just behind me is the Hard Rock Cafe. It's fine, but I need some local experience. Give me the local experience. Give me the local pizza. The only problem here is that I don't want to just grab a piece. I want to get served a real pizza that they bake for me and not just in general. Now it's getting more posh here. I don't think I'll find what I need. And now is the time the people are going out of work. And it's so busy. A lot of people everywhere. It's the heart of Rome. And the buses are full, the metro stations are full. This little bistro restaurant is not very busy, but I thought it's very typical here. And I like the menu, it's typical pizzeria. I ordered Napolitana with anchovies. We'll see if it will be good or not. I hope I find my stuff there when I come back. Oh, look, here it is. Look how fancy. Starting the water. There's no way to start the water, but push the pedal, it goes. Water technology. A lot of people are asking how to wash their hands, definitely. It was smart, wasn't it? And this looks like a proper pizza, look at it. Very nice. So let's try. I can do it like Mark Wiens. It's so juicy, unbelievably fresh. It's so fresh, guys, you can believe that. Well, I like the guy, to be honest. I'm following him. People are looking hungry at my pizza, and that's making me laugh almost. I had this great pizza, guys, and the bartender says, Ludogorets, no, I'm a Roma fan. And I told him, I'm a Roma fan as well, since time Abel Balbo was playing for Roma. He was like that. Then we're friends. But I said, tonight, Ludogorets. I think I'm in paradise. Look. classical music. Wow. I was thinking about the charm of Rome late at night, and it's so nice and warm, kinda surreal. It's so different from Scandinavia.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
And then I meet Baba Venga, Baba Maria.
Baba Vanga, you met Baba Vanga.
No, Baba Maria, Baba Venga.
It's just the feeling, the impressions, all the nuances that you get here.